Why did we want to do it in the first place? Well, probably the easiest way to say it was we wanted a job.
Wanted to stay in Saskatoon. Probably wanted to be kind of in charge of your own destiny.
Did it feel different coming to work?
Well, it seemed like it was easier to come to work because you're doing something what you think is for yourself, you know.
You enjoyed doing your job. You know, you enjoyed it because you had something invested. You were part of it.
Being your own sort of boss, you didn't have too many people shouting at you too much, you know what I mean? If you did, you shouted back, eh?
I used to mow the lawn.
You're the owner.
Yeah, right on.
And you were cutting the grass.
They had a lot of pride in it, the fact that they bought the place, and now it was everything that they did was for themselves. And I think that really made a difference. It wasn't for some big company that you didn't even know who the owners were.
I wasn't happy with the way working for the bigger companies were going, you know, and you're getting shuffled here, shuffled there, and just things are getting so large and so corporate. It's all about the dollar. It's not about the people anymore.
I don't know if every employee goes through this, where you kind of imagine that if you did own the place you're working at, that how you'd improve it. And that had gone through some of our minds. I know that because we had talked about it, how we would improve things. And I want to try being the man.